The start page of the software is the first page that the user faces when the software is opened. At the top right is the version name of the software stable test as well as its version number. If a new version of the software is provided by Vebko when you are connected to the internet, an option saying new version is available will appear at top right. By clicking on this option, you can download and install the latest version of the software. Clicking on the What's New option opens a page in which fixes and features added to different versions of the software are displayed. For preparing these versions, first Vebko experts present the software problems and suggestions to the software group. Then after evaluating and correcting this group, the new features are displayed in detail on this page. By clicking on the Launch Remote Help option, you can connect to the online software support via one of the two available methods of AnyDesk or AnyAdmin. For using AnyDesk, first the user needs to give the 9-digit number called AnyDesk ID, which is available at the This Desk part, to the supporter. Then the supporter will enter the code in the Remote Desk section and press Connect to connect to the user's desktop page. Also, by clicking on AnyAdmin, the AnyAdmin free page opens. Then the user needs to give their ID and password to the supporter. After that, the supporter will enter this information and connect to the user's desktop. The Relay module section contains the special software for Vebko's Relay. In the Test module section, different Relay test rooms are on the left, while Equipment test rooms are on the right. You can adjust the setting for all test pages by clicking on the Preferences option. In all rooms, you can see two letters and numbers at the top right of the screen. M means that how many megabytes of the RAM is occupied by this page. As which is autosave means that if you make a change to the file, after passing the time that is specified in front of this option, the software automatically saves the status of the file, and if there is a previous file, the new file replaces the existing one. After the field is saved, a message saying Autosave Done will be displayed at the bottom of the page. The software repeats this saving process every 30 seconds, which can be changed in the Autosave section in the Room tab on the Preferences page. This saved file is displayed in the Recovery option if the software crashes for any reasons. By clicking on the Recovery option, you can recover and view the last saved version of your file. This is an advantage for the software because the Ctrl-Z key combination recovers the changes based on this 30 seconds, and if the software crashes, the test file will not be destroyed. By clicking on the Security 2 option opens Clear Cache option, which is used to clear the cache of the software. When you install the software for the first time, you should click on the Open Source Location option to run both AM Pro application and AM Pro AMPO Launcher files as an administrator. To do this, right-click on the mentioned files, then select Properties, and in the Compatibility tab, check the Run this program as an administrator option. After that, you can close the window. The Contact Us option provides you with ways to connect with experts at Vebko. The About option provides the user with information about Vebko company. By clicking the Help option provides the user with the reference manual and the tester and the software. The IED Scout option, which is the communication protocol between Relay, is also called 61850. Various tasks are performed in the AMT section. You can directly connect or disconnect to the device by holding on the control button and left-clicking on this image. The figure in this section indicates the connection status to the device. By double-clicking on this section, it is possible to enter the Preferences page directly. If you want to connect to multiple devices at the same time, right-click on this section and select the device name to connect to it. By doing this, the device name will appear on the left of the screen.